All right, so this is notes for Tuesday, March 17th, doing sectors and areas of sectors. You have the notes filled in here at the top. You have portion. A sector is a portion of a circle bounded by a central angle and its intercepted arc. So we're going to think of this as like a slice of a pizza or slice of a pie. The formula here to find area is the degree of the measure of the arc times pi times radius squared divided by 360. And of course, the 360 is the area degrees of a circle. So let me clear this out so I can pull up the screen.
Oh, okay. I know. I want to check.
So on the first one, we're just gonna fill in. So the first is the degree. So our degree here is 51 degrees. We're going to take that times pi times radius. They are giving us the radius right here. Radius is halfway across. So the radius from B to C is 16 squared divided by 360. So when Gina is doing it on the notes, she always does the first things this way. So she takes 51 times 16 squared. So when she does that, she gets 13056. Then she's going to take that times pi divided by 360. So when she multiplies this times pi divided by 360, she gets 113.94. So again, we put the measurement that we're talking about, and since we're doing area, you need to make sure that you put the little square sign there. So the area is 113.94 feet squared. On number 2, again, we do the degrees that we're talking about in here. So it's going to be 139 times pi times our radius squared. So radius this time is 22. So we're going to put 22 squared divided by 360. So again, if we do the first and the last first, 139 times 22 squared, we get 67,276. We're going to multiply that times pi, divide it by 360. So when we do that, we come up with 587.09. We're doing centimeters, so it's centimeters squared.
Go ahead.
So on numbers 3, let's skip number 3 for right now, although I will post a picture on Classroom of the rest of the notes that you can fill in. But let's go to number 4 right now. So if you notice on this one, the shaded area is what we need to have for the degrees, but they gave us this portion in here. So in order to do that, we need to figure out what this is, okay? So all you have to do is do 360 subtract 126 to figure out what's left in here. So what we come up with for the shaded portion that they're talking about would be 234. So it's going to be 234 times pi times our radius, which is 13 squared. So you have to pay special attention when you're doing this. All of these, the gray shaded area, is what we were talking about. That was the number to put into our formula here. This one, we needed to figure out what that shaded area was, so you need to be careful about that. So all of this is divided by 360. So again, when I take the first times the last, 234 times 13 squared, I come up with 39,546. I'm going to multiply that times pi, divide it by 360. So our answer is 345.1. We're talking about yards, so it's yards squared.
All right, everybody, let me do this real quick. Not that I want to break the show.
So I need to stop because Mr. Height's talking. See you guys later.